Understanding good versus bad debt, a financial breakdown. What if I told you debt can make you rich or keep you broke forever? Most people hear the word debt and think of stress, late payments, and financial traps. But the wealthy think about debt very differently. Today, I'm breaking down good debt versus bad debt, how millionaires use debt as a tool, and how you can escape the debt cycle and build financial freedom. If you want control over your money and your future, watch this to the end. 1. What is debt? Debt is simply borrowed money that must be repaid with interest. But here's the truth they don't teach in school. Not all debt is created equal. There is debt that builds wealth and debt that destroys wealth. Understanding the difference is one of the most powerful personal finance skills you'll ever learn. 2. What is good debt? Good debt is money borrowed to increase your income, assets, or net worth. Key points of good debt. It creates cash flow. It appreciates in value. It helps you grow financially. It has strategic, manageable interest. Examples of good debt. 1. Real estate loans, buying rental properties that produce monthly income. 2. Business loans, starting or scaling a business that generates profit. 3. Education loans, strategic degrees or certifications that significantly increase earning power. 4. Investment leverage, using borrowed money to invest in assets that outperform interest rates. The wealthy use good debt to multiply money, not consume it. 3. What is bad debt? Bad debt is money borrowed for things that lose value or don't generate income. Key points of bad debt. It depreciates quickly. It produces zero income. It has high interest rates. It traps you in payments. Examples of bad debt. 1. Credit card debt, high interest on everyday purchases. 2. Payday loans, predatory loans designed to keep you stuck. 3. Luxury cars and gadgets on credit, cool today, worthless tomorrow. 4. Lifestyle loans, borrowing to fund vacations, clothes, or status symbols. Bad debt is emotional spending disguised as financial decisions. 4. The wealthy mindset about debt. Rich people don't ask, "Can I afford this payment?" They ask, "Will this debt pay me back?" They use debt as a tool, not a trap. Wealthy debt rules: borrow to acquire assets. Avoid borrowing for liabilities. Make debt work for you. Keep interest lower than investment returns. Debt is dangerous only when you don't control it. 5. How to turn bad debt into good debt. You don't have to stay trapped. Step-by-step strategy. List all debts, interest rates, balances. Pay off high-interest debt first, snowball or avalanche method. Stop lifestyle borrowing. Redirect money into assets. Learn investing and income skills. Every dollar you free from bad debt is a soldier you can send to build wealth. Here's some smart debt suggestions. Use debt to buy income-producing assets. Avoid debt for depreciating items. Always calculate return on investment. Build an emergency fund before leveraging debt. Learn financial literacy, your greatest asset. Think long-term, not emotional. Treat debt like a tool, not a lifestyle. Debt can be a prison or a launchpad. The choice is yours. If you learned something, like this video, subscribe for more wealth-building content, and comment "freedom" if you're ready to master money instead of letting money control you.